I'm Phil, and in this video, I'm not going to review some software. I'm just going to give you an overview, and we're going to leap onto their website. But keep on watching, because we're going to run through the features of this software. And please don't turn off when I say this. This software that helps you set up a pay-per-click campaign on Amazon easily and simply. Before you click off, stay there, please. I hope you can subscribe to my videos. Normally I do in-depth reviews, talk about the software. Sometimes I do light reviews, and sometimes I just run through. The reason I do these run-throughs is because I found this software for a great deal, a great price. Always go onto my description, find the click my.deal link, click on it, and even if you're not sure about the software, have a look, because sometimes the price is just amazing. I always update those links with the latest price. If something ends, I'll try and find a new link. Okay, and it's great when you subscribe. Click that subscribe button before I have to start putting silly, clicky logos up on all my videos. Are you ready? We're just going to jump in quickly on this one today, and we're going to look at SimpliWorks. So here we go, SimpliWorks. Launch winning Amazon advertising campaigns in one click, and that's what it's about. And what it's saying in the SimpliWorks software is that it is so easy to do compared to what you used to have to do. You can find brand new customers from day one. No more advertising software like the Amazon software, which is complicated and expensive. Advertising agencies, you can just launch profit-proven pay-per-click campaigns in just one click. Offload your management specialists, so it's going to save you money if you're paying someone to look after your Amazon results. I always find it funny, but there's obviously millions and millions of people who make their money from selling things on Amazon. It's going to help you dominate your first page on the keywords. It's going to give you all of the insights, and it's going to take the pain out of pay per click. And this is their website, and as I say, this is not a review, this is a run through, and I'm going to find the pricing on their website, which I've got to admit looks a bit, I don't know what these things cost, but they say on their website that normally it would cost $197 per product per month. Now, I'm a bit blown away by that, because that does sound very expensive, doesn't it? But I suppose if you're making a fortune on each product, so that's their price. And the reason I'm showing you that is we're going to just cut to the chase on this one. I don't always do this, but here is where the deal is. And I'm doing this now because the offer ends in an hour. I'm going to get this video up literally quickly so that you can, rather than pay $197 a month, you can get, and this is on AppSumo. We use other places, other links, to other places where we get great cheap software, but this is AppSumo. And if you've got their tier 1 license on AppSumo, it's for the lifetime. This, not just per month. All the features, including one-click campaign launcher, end-to-end management, all of that, plus unlimited ad spend, unlimited variations, one store with 5 product families, and one user for just $79 a month. Now, that price looks a bit pie in the sky, but I might be wrong. Please, when I make these videos, check out the software yourself. Obviously, compare what you get on the one on their website, the features, and the features you get on the site I recommend, AppSumo. But I'm telling you that quick, because if that is correct, and if you can get it for that, then it's a great deal, and I don't want you to miss out. So we're going to jump out now, and would I use SimpliWorks? I'm not going to use it, but I'm going to just tell you about it. Here we go. So, would I use SimpliWorks? If I was selling on Amazon, I'd research it and I'd look into it, and possibly is the answer. I can't really say more than that. Do have a look through all of the channels, my channel's videos. You'll see that if they're stored in the playlist Phil Reviews Software, I do review the software. If it's a Phil's Great Deals or Phil's Deals, then sometimes it's going to be an overview like this. Hope you understand that, but it will be great if you can subscribe. Just great for me and great for you, hopefully, because you get some good deals. I will see you next time. Tell me what you think about SimpliWorks, or if there are any other softwares that do a similar or better job.